It's what was a better window. Oh, be our class, and I to my crack. It is will be our class, and I'm not just like one. Not if a woman would decide the beer, paint, I get your paint wall. The beer paint you would defeat, not as a one, I'm not to say, please, Doctor, who are not French number. Okay, that's it. Action, hein, mais bois, oui, je vous.
C'est je vous encore pété.
Je vous encore pété and read the Z side.
Yaba ya vous récolter pas pressionné.
Oui, j'ai récolté pour vous.
Il récolté pour vous, j'avais le gars là.
Le gars là, face.
Face raisins.
Ouais, comment t'as le mot? Ouais, comment t'as le mot?
Comment t'as le mot, bien ça?
Bien ça, vigie.
Yeah, vigie.
4 vigie. 9 vigie. Et nous vigie. Au passe, il y a une vigie. Hein? Franchement, nous y a vigie. Massa, moi, je suis dit, moi, même il y a discipline, vous savez, à moi, vous savez, yes. Hein?
C'est pas un bon échec.
What catch you say French no ya chesa na ufi na yesi ya. Enipa ni yem so na ontimi nkyere nipa ne ba no French no. Huh? Vigie, comment allez-nous, copain, fils, frère? Vigie, Zavo, Zava, viens ici, un peu, j'ai vu. Ok?
C'est, bossou quoi, mon toffé.
Bossou quoi, mon toffé?
Chez Badumba. Oba ino iso de nya to gbe
nya. Ya reso atiesi nkran. Ye kan fana na mo nkran. Atiesi nkran mu na wo ka yi nyami.
To nyami agbe.
Egbe no ni me bi asa atiesi ewe.
Ewe gbe lo le no to bi abe bi sure. Me lo le pepe.
Wo promo nyina wa man so wa change so ne destiny. Akawura swimming pool bi am nso ye de drogo na ni agree. Akwa we swim city sense.
Like it be asema to me entimu gina he bo me tem so.
Oh yeah, didn't want to you see a dream people soon. I didn't have you swan.
What's the come? Now what says our own?
Patty, who said this? I have swimming pool now. But I bring the money. Bring the money.
Come on.
I should bring the money. Hara. For Uncle Abba, the Moody and Tiny Yam, you say. And the 12 fans and said,
Master, what you have to make us say, you know, to come on for
come on, go to grass. What it? This one a woman's son. Huh?
I'm on coming, Bible. Why
you say no, Papa? Girl, Akudano, Opie. Chum free. My way, we are not married now. So I
my bedroom.
Would be sexy? I come on, I can be sexy.
Why you want to say Sakasaka?
Why do you say, Mama? Why you? You know all the poor. We're going to teach us follow my say, woman attach the child of private. I want you move us is here. We are losing. We are losing. I am to create you. I'm like I am. Yeah, we are day.
Now we're not going to say more.
Maybe
the career like your or is it
for
your exceptional? Yeah,
if I want to find a
please let's collaborate so that we shouldn't. We are brothers, eh? We are brothers. We are all brothers.
Yeah, we are boom. Cause yeah, we are boom.
Yeah, we are boom.
Yeah, we are day.
Yeah, we are boom.
Na worry.
Woman come next school, no young school anymore.
You say come be
So you know why? Daddy, who said challenge? I'm going to.
Oh, Debbie, now come and watching me. Debbie, I see PT.
Na some account. What's it me wi? Owi anu awi na so awi masa.
Because in Timu ko catch the PT board.
Ati a why je go say emusu. Make for no.
Say no make us everywhere. And yes,
Papa me rosun so. That bia me hu bia o she me rosun.
Freeze. Officer mo na mo ba money. Okay, ntia ko picking up action.
Masa, you could no.
And I'm saying mo man kan
You say no, we are last I'll bury. We are no marry. That's marry.
You know, we are good. As Jacob was a man for watch. Before I watch your ball. Up with the all cars with the
I can't kiss you. Boy, kiss you.
She never do about how many wedding I'll be swag.
What the numbers have boko? Do you say yourself for my make so tired? Or money when you have your bro. Don't come as master. Don't look sharp.
When you mention
yeah, you better to know the what I asked you soon. What is that's the part?
Boy, Zach, Alonso, and I saw me be Jackie with the chairman. That superstar now, what best school me has seen. To be honest, I say it me finding some source in your money than pulling. So could you believe, say? That say so full say prophet to say minim de am friend o say enam so am girl me ni date say girl na tima be jira me home account hey say like won't team continue with the relationship between me. What a bullshit.
All right, so that's the reason why you always fail your tests, huh? Whilst your fellow students are busy learning in class, you're busy wasting time outside. Right. Come over here.
Sir, are you talking to us?
Whom do you think I'm talking to? Come over here, quick.
Come on over here. Sir, are you calling us or you are calling Alonso?
I'm calling your sister. Come on, man. Alonso, damn, look at yourself. What the hell did you do to your school suit?
Someone stole my uniform.
What?
Someone stole my uniform.
What? Someone stole your uniform? Stop telling me stories. And you too. Are you a primary student? Or you have to wear that knicker?
My knicker is torn, so I decided to wear this one.
What the hell? See, all the time, just wasting time all around doing your so-called business, whatever it is.
Sir.
And when it's time to show up in class, you don't. And when it's time to do a good test, you fail miserably. Now I see the reason why.
Sir, you fear us. I mean, what you guys are teaching us, you know, we don't get it. That's all. We don't get it.
I did.
We don't pop anything.
Shut up! How many times did I tell you guys that you have questions, you're free to ask? And I'm there to explain to you. Oh, well, when the interest is not there, this is what happens. Come on, get in the class. Move! Still here? Come on, move your ass. Get your ass in the classroom. So this is the reason why your parents are spending money on you? For you to pay them with bad results? What kind of payback is this to your parents?
Oh, you will pass. If I enter the Tokoro, I will pass.
Yeah, not right.
Good luck.
All right, cut.
Huh?
It's not my fault.
Dear pan into I know. Ah, Richmond. A dear pan and how. In fact, me whoop when you know when you do on the trail was
Okay, cut. 1-1. Maza, what's the rest of us? Trying to go to.